In 2026, artificial intelligence will no longer be a tool, it will be a partner. The biggest AI trend in 2026 is autonomous AI agents, not chatbots, not assistants, but AI that works for you, without being asked twice. Imagine this. You wake up, and your AI has already answered emails, negotiated prices, edited videos, scheduled meetings, and even made money while you slept. These AI agents don't wait for commands. They observe, decide, and act. In business, AI agents will run entire online stores, handling marketing, customer support, inventory, and payments automatically. In content creation, one AI will write the script, another will generate the voice, another will edit the video, and another will post it at the perfect time for maximum views. No human intervention. In healthcare, AI agents will monitor patients 24/7, predict illnesses before symptoms appear, and alert doctors before it's too late. In everyday life, your personal AI agent will manage finances, plan travel, book appointments, and protect you from scams faster than any human ever could. But here's the twist. In 2026, the richest people won't be the hardest workers. They'll be the ones who know how to control AI agents. Companies won't hire employees. They'll hire AI managers. One person controlling 10, 20, or even 100 AI agents. This isn't the future. It's already starting. And the question is no longer, will AI take over? The real question is, will you be the one using it, or the one being replaced by it? 2026 belongs to those who adapt.